Now, moving towards the second method, that is using an itertools. First, we are going to import our library, and in which we are going to import the product from the itertools. After that, we are going to initialize our list and an empty list, which is list number 3. And now what we are going to do is we are going to have an temp list over here, which is going to store all of the products of our list 1 and into the list 2, after they converting them into the list, and in which we are going to go through each and every element in our temp list, and we are comparing that if both of the elements in which we are making the pair, they are not same, then only then we are going to store those values in our list number 3, and we are having them as an output.